Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Velazquez here with you, TransparentTradeSolutions.com on a Friday, 23rd Jan. Very lackluster markets, pretty much all through. I had volatility early or this week, as everybody knows, with the Greenland tariffs on and off. Kind of reminds me of what happened back in April of last year. Let's get right into it. One thing notable, start with. Uh, What's notable today, which I find interesting, nobody's talking about it, is the dollar. The dollar is getting walloped today. Um, there it is right there. Um, Looks like it wants to break down, maybe head all the way back down to, who knows, probably 96. But you can see big move in the dollar. What's causing it? I don't know. Market's obviously not paying attention, but it is worthwhile to look at some of the currencies. You got the euro, um, maybe breaking out to the upside. The yen also looks like it's sharply higher. So obviously, this is the biggest impact is all the currencies just having a huge move today on this dollar weakness, and obviously also metals. So we'll see if this is actually a one-off or we get some meaningful, any kind of material change in the. You can see all the currencies coming up to some really significant levels, the Aussie and so forth. Mexican peso also having a huge move to the upside here. So that is really the standout. Everything else, gold also rallying to new highs. No, everybody knows that. Who knows how high it's going to go? Same thing. It just keeps going higher. At some point it's going to pull back. Tough to say from what levels. Um, and we've got oil also popping today, incidentally, which is really interesting. We'll see if that actually wants to break out. Still hasn't broken out. And then after a huge, massive run up in nat gas because of the storms hitting here over the weekend, um, is pausing today. So you can see we're basically just pausing around 550. What's interesting also is that contract rolling off, and then we've got the March contract significantly lower, which again, all the front month uh, in the February is where all the action is, and we'll see if that keeps going after the storm's over. So we'll see what happens with that. I have a class coming up next Thursday. Make sure you sign up for that. Also, um, have a newsletter coming out this weekend. So Santa Garber's coming. Of course, most inopportune time. Anyways, all right. So have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Again, sign up for the newsletter. Have the class coming up, and it'll be an interesting week next week. Remember, we got a Fed, we got Apple earnings, Meta earnings, all kinds of stuff going on. Take care.